on my flip cam.
To war. Follow the money. It's not freedom we're fighting for. Follow the money. It leads to those corporate outlaws. Now they want to bomb the Iranis, so Lockheed Martin can get more. Boeing and Lockheed, Bechtel and Raytheon too. Reap all the profits and don't give a thing about you. While folks go hungry in Miami and New Orleans, they're at home counting their money to support their war machine. Follow the money. It all leads to corporate greed. The poor and the homeless, when will they get what they need? Big money interests dictate our nation's war plans. It's time now to take back our country and give folks a helping hand. Foreclosures rising and more folks are now unemployed. Whatever happened to the land of the free we enjoy? It's time